Hello and what's up guys, welcome back to channel Cikgu Ulwan. Here we are going to unbox my Lenovo Legion 5 Gen 6, the AMD 5600H variant. It's not the 5800H variant. So as you can see, this one is directly came from China. It was shipped from China, as you can see here, and we can look at the specs itself. AMD Ryzen 5 5600H with the 16 gigs of RAM plus with 512 gig of SSD and the RTX 360, and the display should be 15.6 inch Full HD 165 Hz, and I ordered mine for the color of Phantom Blue. So it feels quite heavy, as I've owned myself a Lenovo Y540. So this is the Phantom Blue. In this video, I think you cannot see that particular blue, but if I compare it side by side with my previous laptop, you should see the bluish color. The blue itself is prominent within the laptop. I think the back one is still, yeah, it's a black, but inside is the blue one. And we gotta see the bulky power adapter as expected. Wow, that's quite huge. It's kind of like the same with my Lenovo Y540, but I think it's a bit heavier, and it's got the 300 watt of power wattage. Yeah, the cable itself pretty generic, I would say. And lastly, I think they got some sticker here. I don't know where to put it, but at least they gave us the sticker. And some sheets, probably for warranty or some warning, I guess. So as a quick comparison, this one is from my Lenovo Y540, and this one is for the new Legion 5 Gen 6. So I think it's comparable in size. It's just the Legion 5 is a bit heavier. Yeah, I hate this big bulky stuff, but well, at least it's a Max P variant at least. So they can output the RTX 3060 around 115 watt or 115 watt. Whereas my Lenovo Y540, they can output RTX 2060 around 80 watt, I think. So here's a quick look of how it's going to open. It can go up to 180 degree, just like this, but I'm not sure what is the function of Lenovo's doing this, but it's kind of cool for doing it as well. And let's have a quick look on the ports that has been given on the left hand side. We can see this audio and mic combo audio jack plus with USB-C that can output as well DisplayPort 1.4. And the rear side, we can see this RJ45 with USB-C again with DisplayPort 1.4 and power delivery, 3 USB-A 3.2 Gen 1 and the latest HDMI 2.1, and it is the similar support for PS5 and Xbox Series X, and the usual power input that is proprietary for Lenovo. And the right hand side, USB-A plus with e-shutter cam for disabling the webcam if you want to. And yeah, that's basically it for the ports. And for the top part, very minimalist of Lenovo's logo. One of the reasons why I bought this laptop is because of this minimalist gaming design. And for the lower part, you can see the lower stereo speaker and the CPU and GPU's exhaust fan. Just clean and minimalistic look.